This video is all about finding the value of tan 15. Now, you know that sine, okay, sorry, let me change this to white. You know that sine 30 is the same thing as saying sine 2 times what? 15. Now, let's use applying the trigonometric rule where you have sine a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus sine b cos a. Now, if b is equal to a, then you have sine a plus a is equal to sine a cos a plus sine a cos a. So this is the same thing. This and this are the same. You say 2 sine a cos a. And a plus a is 2a. So you have sine 2a. Now, that means sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. Now, applying this rule here, so we now have sine 30 equal to sine 2 times what? 15. And sine 2 times 15. Now, if you plug in, if you say a is equal to what? 15. So we now have sine 2 times 15 equal to 2 sine 15 cos 15. So now let's plug it in here. So meaning this is equal to this, which is 2 sine 15 cos what? 15. So now this same thing is the same thing as saying the whole of this divided by 1. Now we know that 1 is equal to, now let me just let me prove it. Now if you have a triangle like this, now let's say here is your x, here is your y, and this, the angle here is what? Theta. Now, and let's say here is 1, the length of here is 1. And then now from here, you know that sine theta is equal to, using SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. Now, you know sine theta is equal to, this is opposite to this angle, all over 1. So meaning sine theta is 1. Then cos theta is adjacent, x is adjacent to the angle, so which is x divided by what? 1, which is the hypothesis, so x. Now, according to Pythagoras theory, x squared plus y squared is equal to what? 1. Now, x squared means cos squared theta, plus y squared means sine squared theta equal to what? 1. You know, this is 1 square, so 1 square is the same thing as 1. So this is it. So that means 1, according to trigonometric identity, 1 is equal to what? Cos square theta plus sine square theta. Now let theta be equal to what? 15. So that means 1 is equal to cos square cos 15 square plus sine square 15 cos square 15 plus sine square 15. So that is equal to 1. So now let's replace 1 with this in this expression. So now you have 2 sine 15 cos 15 divided by cos square 15 plus sine square 15. Now dividing, okay, let me just come here. You have sine, that is equal to what? 2 sine 15 cos 15 divided by cos square 15 plus sine square 15. So dividing the numerator and the denominator by cos square 15, you have 2 sine 15 cos 15 divided by cos square 15, all divided by cos square 15 divided by cos square 15 plus sine square 15 divided by cos square 15. Now the whole of this will now be equal to, now this cos 15 will cancel at 1 cos 15 here. So you now have sine, you have 2 sine 15 divided by cos 15, all divided by, now this will cancel at this. You have 1 plus, this is the same thing as saying sine 15 all divided by cos 15 all raised to power 2. Now this, so now this expression, the numerator will now be, since tan theta is equal to sine theta all over cos theta. Now from this expression you now have 2 tan 15 divided by 1 plus, this one will now be tan square 15. So that means we have sine 30 equal to 2 tan 15 divided by 1 plus tan square what? 15. Now let P be equal to tan what? 15. Now wherever we see tan 15, we replace it with P. So we now have sine 30 equal to 2P divided by 1 plus P square. Now let's look at sine. Let's look at, here is 60, here is 2, here is 1. If here is 60 degree, so here is 2, here is 1. So here should be root 3. Wait, so here is 30, while here is 19. So sine 30 will be equal to sine, this is 30. So the opposite to that, using SOHCAHTOA, let me write it down here. SOHCAHTOA, the sine. So sine is opposite all over hypothesis. So sine 30 will now be, the opposite to this 30 is 1. Then this is hypothesis. So 1 all over 2 is sine 30. So sine 30 is equal to P, 2P all over 1 plus P squared. Now, since sine 30 is equal to 1 all over 2, which is equal to 2P all over 1 plus P squared. So now multiplying both sides by, now since the denominators is 2 and this, so you multiply both sides by the product of those two values. So now by this, So now I will now say 2 bracket open 1 plus p square times 1 all over 2 is equal to 2p all over 1 plus p square times 2 into 1 plus p square. So now these two will cancel out this. You have 1 plus p square, which is equal to, this value will cancel out this. You now have 2 times 2p will give you 4p. So if this 4p now moves to this other side, you now have p square minus 4p plus 1 equal to what? 0. Now applying quadratic equation, quadratic formula, where we have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, and x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we are going to apply this formula. Now from here, it means that a is equal to, from here it means that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, while c is equal to 1. So now let's look at it. So that b will now be equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 square minus 4 times 1 divided by 2 times what? 1. So this will give us minus times minus 4 will give you plus 4 plus or minus this value will give you 16, then minus 4 divided by 2. So we have 4 plus or minus the square root of 12 all over 2. So p is equal to 4 plus square root of 12 divided by 2, or 4 minus the square root of 12 divided by 2. Now this square root of 12 can also be written in another form. 4 plus the square root of 4 times 3 divided by 2. So this is the same thing as saying 4 plus, now the square root of 4 times the square root of 3 all divided by 2. So now, the square root of, according to surd rule, the square root of m times n is the same thing as the square root of n times the square root of n. So that is what we applied here. Now the square root of 4 is 2. So you have 4 plus the square root of 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 square root of 3 divided by 2. So if you factor out 2 here, you have 2 into 2 plus the square root of 3 all divided by 2. So these two cancel out. You have 2 plus square root of 3. So that means our p is equal to 2 plus the square root of 3, or 2 minus the square root of 3. Now, that then means that tan 15 is equal to tan 15, which is equal to p, which is equal to 2 plus the square root of 3, or 2 minus the square root of 3. So now, since tan 0 is equal to 0, tan 30 is equal to 1 all over the square root of 3, tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Then tan 90 is equal to infinity. So if you can see that the thing increases as the angle increases. So now there is no how tan 15 will be greater than tan 30. So between these two value of tan 15, you have 2 plus root 3 or 2 minus root 3. So the right one, this one is wrong because this value is even more than this, even more than root 3. So the right value is tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching till the end.